Can you guess the countries by their flags? Check your knowledge. You have 50 flags and 5 seconds for each. Let's start. Guess the country for this flag. Thailand. Which nation's flag is this? Denmark. Which country uses this flag? United States. Which nation's flag is this? Vietnam. Can you guess the country by this flag? Canada. Which country does this flag belong to? Tajikistan. Which country uses this flag? Sri Lanka. Which country does this flag belong to? India. Which country uses this flag? UAE. Which country does this flag belong to? Singapore. Guess the country for this flag. The Bahamas. Which nation's flag is this? Turkey. Guess the country for this flag. Taiwan. Do you know which country this flag represents? Philippines. Which country uses this flag? Myanmar. Which country does this flag belong to? Nepal. Which nation's flag is this? Japan. Can you guess the country by this flag? Panama. Do you know which country this flag represents? Malaysia. Can you guess the country by this flag? Iran. Can you guess the country by this flag? Indonesia. Which country does this flag belong to? Bhutan. Can you guess the country by this flag? China. Do you know which country this flag represents? Mexico. Which nation's flag is this? Afghanistan. Can you guess the country by this flag? Bangladesh. Do you know which country this flag represents? Oman. Which country does this flag belong to? Jamaica. Which country uses this flag? Syria. Which nation's flag is this? Honduras. Which country uses this flag? Russia. Which country does this flag belong to? Haiti. Do you know which country this flag represents? North Korea. Which country uses this flag? Qatar. Do you know which country this flag represents? Mongolia. Which country uses this flag? Grenada. Which nation's flag is this? Maldives. Do you know which country this flag represents? Cuba. Can you guess the country by this flag? Jordan. Which nation's flag is this? Lebanon. Can you guess the country by this flag? Israel. Which nation's flag is this? Kuwait. Guess the country for this flag. Egypt. Which country does this flag belong to? Bahrain. Can you guess the country by this flag? Cambodia. Which country does this flag belong to? Azerbaijan. Guess the country for this flag. Cyprus. Can you guess the country by this flag? Georgia. Guess the country for this flag. Armenia. Guess the country for this flag. Costa Rica. Which nation's flag is this? Barbados. Don't forget to write down your score in the comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.